Hello, West Palm Beach. You've got a boil order notice. You don't know what to do. Well, let me tell you what it's all about. Well, first of all, boiling your water can be done in a kettle. It could be done on your stove top here. I'm going to turn these off. Now, the reason why these things occur, you get a boil order notice, is because something went wrong with the water department. A main broke and between you and the city's water supply, and so bacteria could get in there. Maybe they have groundwater that got in or surface water that got into their water system. So they are warning you, please boil the water. Bacteria is actually what's entered the water, so boiling it will get rid of that. So it's very important to boil your water when they do say that. Some people ask me, hey, wait a second, I have reverse osmosis. Do I need to do that? Well, technically, yes, the reverse osmosis does take out the bacteria, but it can have failures. So we always recommend boil your water if the city has done it. I'm Drew, the Water Guru, here to serve you. You have any questions? Hit me up anytime. Have a great day.